Why do I still get banned after using VPN in creating my PayPal account? So guys, hello everyone, welcome to today's video. So today's video I'll be talking about why some persons still get banned after they have managedly used a VPN in creating the account. Does this mean that PayPal still dictates VPNs? Okay, this is what I'll be talking about in this video. So in order not to miss out every detailed information which I'll be passing out in this video, do well to stay tuned, watch to the end, and don't forget to click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. So guys, watch out. See you in the video. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to DJ's Global Consult YouTube channel. So as I've said in my intro, that does PayPal still dictate VPN? Wow, this has been a question which I've been getting from many of my friends and students, which has been asking me that despite using VPN in creating their PayPal account, they still notice that PayPal still send them a message saying that they are being banned. It's very annoying and so sorry for them. So this is why I'll be bringing out time to discuss detailed information, detailed ideas, detailed stuff for you to understand that PayPal can also dictate VPNs. Of course, PayPal does that, and PayPal easily dictate VPN. So which I'll be giving you reasons and why you should understand. So number one on my list here is PayPal is country specific. When I mean PayPal is country specific, I mean whenever you try to log in from any country you are, your country IP is going to be attached to that link. For instance, if you try to log in from Nigeria, you notice that NG is always attached to your link website. Whenever you try to access PayPal, you notice that NG automatically attached to that. That is to show that PayPal are very serious when it comes to regional. Just understand that. So please and please, whenever you're trying to log in, I always advise you use a stronger VPNs. Then I mean a stronger VPN, which I'll be listing in this video. So do well to watch to the end so that you get every detailed information you need to know. As I was saying, I said PayPal is country specific, which I will always advise that whenever you try to log in, a stronger VPN is advisable to be used. And number two is VPNs that are software downloaded are not advisable. I know some person will be like, wow, does it mean that this I will not be mentioning any VPN provider, I will not be mentioning any names here, but I don't advise you going ahead and use a downloaded VPN that is downloaded into your device. Come to think of it, let me give you an instance to this. Whenever you try to log in from to a website, let me probably say website like PayPal, and you are using a VPN that is downloaded to your device, you are the one in control of the network there. You are the one, the service provider given to you there is being controlled by you. When I mean controlled by you, by your network service. For instance, you try to log in using a VPN to cover your ID or cover your information or cover your details by logging in saying that you use a VPN stating that you are in US. And for instance, you log in there and you notice that your network service is being fluctuating in terms of going higher and coming down, and the moment that is going on, it's also affecting the VPN which you are using. And you notice whenever you are trying to log in, for instance, you are successfully in the account, you are successfully in the website, and such things starts occurring, which means the service which shows that you are in the US suddenly it goes down, suddenly it comes up. So if you, for instance, if you are to be in such platform, let me put it, if you are to be a worker there and you notice a user that is trying to access your website with a fluctuating network, what will you do? You try to understand this person is trying to cover up or maneuver something. So that alone will give them the idea and the chance to go in details to know where this person is from. That in that instance, when they are trying to do all those things, you notice that perfectly they'll dictate that it's VPN that you are using there. So that's why I always advise not to use a downloaded software VPN, which I'll also be giving you the best VPN to use, so you just have to calm down. I'll not be mentioning names of the VPNs which you are not to use here in order not to spoil or affect their businesses. So please and please quote me right, not to spoil any person's businesses here. So as I've said, you don't need to go ahead and download any VPN to your device, which is going to affect your service. So on my third point, I said whenever you need a strong provided VPN that can stand by you anytime, any day, I'll advise you go for cloud hosted VPN. Pop and clean. You just need to go on to cloud hosted VPN. This cloud hosted VPN is also known as VPS, and you can also get it anywhere, which I'll be providing their links in my description below, so that you can just go ahead, create an account with them, subscribe to them, either a monthly provided service or a yearly provided service, depending on what you can offer and what you can afford. So you just have to understand that once you have an account with those clouded hosted VPNs, you notice that all you just need to do is an access code. Once you create an account, a password will be given to you, an IP which is unique, which is just yours uniquely, meaning that this IP is only for you and not for anyone else. So once you have such IP, whenever you want to access any website like PayPal, Netflix and the rest, you just click onto the password there, log in, and automatically your phone devices change its IP to that IP. And in that doing, you are not the one in control of the network here. You are not the one in control of the service provided. All you just need to do is keep browsing without any hindrance. So that is just the main truth about this. A cloud hosted VPN are preferable and recommended. So I'll be listing them in my description below, so you can go ahead and read more about them. Probably also get an account with them if you really want to if you successfully want to create an account that will not be hindered in future. So that is just the plain truth. And number one on my list about the clouded hosted VPN is number one, IP Burger. I believe most of you guys might have heard or not have heard about IP Burger. This is number one, which I also love and also recommend. Number two is privacy friendly. I'll be dropping the link in my description below, so you can easily go to them, access their website and read more about them. These are the clouded hosted VPN, which I still recommend for now. More research will be made and others will be also updated, which for now I will just be dropping these two as the recommended one you guys can go for. So as I've said, they are the best and most reliable. You can use them to access any website such as PayPal. So you understand, whenever you log in with to the account with the access code given to you, it becomes yours and uniquely it's yours. There's nothing like you trying to cover up or trying to change one or two things. That is just it. Thank you. And please, if you know you got a value from what I just dropped in this video, just do well to click on the like button, share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe, because I understand that the moment I get my subscription list increasing, it gives me the zeal to give out more and more updates, which is going to be so helpful for you as an online entrepreneur. So do well to click on the like button, share this video, and please subscribe. So guys, again, this comes to my mind. I also want you guys to understand that I'll be dropping a video soon in this channel, and this video is just going to be how you can create a PayPal account. When I mean how to create a PayPal account, I'll be giving you the guidelines step by step on how you can create a successful and a perfect working PayPal account that will not be suspected or being banned. That is just the plain truth. I'll be dropping that in my next video. So for you not to miss out this content, do well to click on the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification there. Turn on the bell notification so that once it is being dropped, you'll be the first to get this video, and every of the benefits attached to it becomes yours. So please do well to do that, subscribe, and also don't forget to share this video. So guys, see you in my next video, and please stay tuned for more informative one coming the way. So guys, see you in my next video, and peace out.